I want to show you guys a super easy alternative to make nice pages that update automatically like a web page. You can post the pages anywhere, your website, Canvas, anywhere you can get an HTML code, and it updates it live just like a web page. So here's my current home page, and let's say I want to change that. This is what the district gave us. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to smore.com, hopefully get an account there if you don't. So here's my Smore that I have. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go, and what's beautiful about Smore is you get analytics and shows you, how people are viewing your web page. I do this, or I should say we do this actually for almost every unit that we do, and we send newsletters out to our parents, blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to go over here to get the embed code because I want to put that into Canvas. Super simple. I'm going to go to copy or embed link. Of course, highlight it and press Control C. Then I'm going to go make sure embed, not the link. So I'm going to go over here and let's say I'm going to edit. This is already as a home page. I can either take everything out and start from use only that. But here's what I'm going to do is don't forget this step, of course. So go to the HTML editor right here. This is called the raw HTML editor. Okay. And so I'm going to go there. And if I want it at the bottom of the page, I can just click here. And so I'm going to press Control V. All right. Control V. So now let's go save this and see what it looks like. Of course, you can make your entire page this, but I'm just showing you the different varieties. So I'm going to press save and let's look and see what this looks. Okay, there we go. So now here's the beauty of this. So we have this. And let's say I want to put this video up at the top instead of right here, instead of this being on top. So I'm going to go over here. Let's test this. I'm going to go to Smore. I'm going to edit my newsletter. I'm just going to drag this below this. And I'm going to make sure I press Publish Changes. So anything I do from now on out is going to update this automatically. So what I did in the last one is this one was moved up here. So what we're going to do is let's see if that happens. Let's update our page and boom, this moved up to here just like this. So here's why this is such a beautiful thing is because if you look on if you can even put this on your website. I have this one on my website and I might use this one also for my Canvas class. So if I want to update everywhere that I have this published, I just go to smore.com, do my changes, press publish, and voila. There's a great alternative and super, super intuitive and user-friendly Smore is. Let me know if you have any questions. I know this is going to help you for those of you that don't want to put a whole bunch of time into creating a home page from scratch.